Hi, Vadio here. You probably know the situation when you're trying to find your Wi-Fi password. So today I'm coming back to you with a simple solution. I'm gonna show you how to find the Wi-Fi password directly in Windows 10. So let's go for it. Right click on the Wi-Fi icon right here in the taskbar, open Network and Internet Settings. Here click on Wi-Fi and here scroll down and click on the Change Adapter options. Actually in this build, this option in my case doesn't work. So if it's gonna be same with your Windows 10, you can go here and type Control Panel. Click Open, click on Network and Internet, and click here, and click on your connection to the Wi-Fi you are connected. And here, click on Wireless Properties. And next step is the security. And here we are. When you click on the Show Characters, here will be your Wi-Fi password. So that's it. In a case you're gonna manage to click on a Change Adapter options, you should see this window. So you're gonna click on your Wi-Fi security, Show Characters, and you're gonna be right here. You did it! You found me and you find your Wi-Fi password. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I'm looking forward to see you with the next video. Take care, bye!